Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video we will explore what is audible range, the difference between noise and music, noise pollution. First of all, I am going to explain audible range of sound. Human can hear sound that we discussed in the earlier classes. Do you know all the sounds are heard? No. The human audible range of hearing is if the vibration is above 20 to 20,000 Hz. This is easy to remember. 20 is the lowest, 20,000 is the highest. Sound having vibrating less than 20 Hz is called infrasonic sound. These frequencies are called infrasonic. Pendulum can vibrate, but it producing very low frequency is about 1 Hz or less, so it can't be heard. More than 20,000 Hz also cannot be heard. Ultrasonic sound. The high frequency sounds above 20,000 Hz are called ultrasonic sounds, and these frequencies are called ultrasonics. Bats can create ultrasonic sounds that help to navigate the prey in the dark night. These inaudible sounds of frequency greater than 20,000 Hz are also called ultrasound. Ultrasonic sound is used to see literally inside the human body, especially during the pregnancy time. The movement of the fetal can be detected with the help of the ultrasonic sound, even which is used to identify or to find the problems inside the body. It is also useful to draw the floor of the ocean and the cracks of the material. In audible range, sound can be noise or music. Sometimes music can be noise. Noise is a sound that is unpleasant. It has irregular vibrations and has no rhythmic pattern. Sound of drilling machines, vacuum cleaner, and a horn of a car is an example of noise. Music is created by different frequencies of sound called notes. They are arranged in a way that is pleasant to hear. But if you don't know to play, it will make noise. Musical instruments like guitar, veena, violin, drums, flute can create pleasant music. These notes can sung by humans as well as they can play in different musical instruments. There are mainly 4 types of musical instruments that we discussed in the last video. Noise pollution. When sound of any frequency is loud, unwanted, or disturbing the environment is called noise pollution. Examples: aeroplane, drilling machine, vacuum cleaner, mixer grinder. Factory produces lot of sound that will produce irritation and stress. Noise pollution causes partial hearing loss in humans. Total hearing loss is called deafness, and the person is said to be deaf. In such cases, sign languages are helping to make them understand.